how to cancel order on AllChinaBuy. So I'm just going to open up the app here and create a sample order. So I'm just going to search for a wallet, and let's say that we want to purchase this one. So you will click on buy now, and again you will click on buy now after confirming the variant. So here you will see your order created, and let's say that you have checked out. All right, so where can we find this order and how can we cancel it now? So you want to go back, all the way back, then you will click on me in the bottom right, and then my orders, you want to click on all here. Once you click on all, if you see your order here, then you will be able to see the cancel button next to it. So you just wanna, if you don't see the cancel button immediately, you will scroll to the left until the cancel button appears, and that's how you cancel an order on AllChina Fans. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.